In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger Cloud Hosting. I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money no matter what Hostinger Cloud Hosting plan you choose. You'll also get a free domain name on any of Hostinger's Cloud Hosting annual plans. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger Cloud discount so you can save some extra money on your Hostinger Cloud Hosting purchase. To get your Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans page. Scroll down and you'll see 3 Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans: the Cloud Startup, Cloud Professional, and Cloud Enterprise plan. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted. All 3 plans come with a free domain name if you choose any of the annual plans offered on the next page. All plans also include a free SSL certificate, free email accounts, managed WordPress, WordPress acceleration, dedicated IP address, multiple data centers, and more. The differences in the 3 Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans is the Cloud Startup plan comes with 200GB SSD storage, 3GB RAM, and 2 CPU cores. The Cloud Professional plan comes with 250GB SSD storage, 6GB RAM, and 4 CPU cores. The Cloud Enterprise plan comes with 300GB SSD storage, 12GB of RAM, and 6 CPU cores. For most, the Cloud Startup or the Cloud Professional plan will be the plan to go with. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the Cloud Startup plan. Hit the select button on whichever plan you'd like to choose. You'll see the terms you can choose with the discounted amounts. Let's save even more than what is showing here by adding in the Hostinger promo code. Scroll down to the total section, and where it says have a coupon code, click this and enter the promo code I provided in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. You'll be able to choose your domain name after you finish checking out with Hostinger. The domain name will be free if you go with the 12-month, 24-month, or 48-month term. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon discount. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.